Them just boss one reverend father wey go dey kiss him students. Una see say I dey stress on that student well because this one no be one person this man kiss o, wonder shall never end. And we hear say this one dey happen inside Ghana for St. Monica's College. Na there this Anglican priest wey him name na Reverend Balthazar Obenglabi come decide say he wan perform, I no know whether na spiritual miracle abi na kissing miracle, say he wan perform am on top of his students. Come say he wan dey dish out holy kiss for dem dis students mouth. Oh my God, abeg make una follow me watch. Reverend Kisa, abeg, na God appoint you say make you do this kind thing. I be waiting and won't even talk. Because to me, in fact, everything dey wrong about this video wey I dey see. How a whole priest, a man of God, go come saying they share holy kiss they give his students. Abeg, we una for hear this kind thing. And to do priest no be by force. They no force you say make you go turn to priest. So wetin carry as you know say you no fit hold body? Wetin make you come carry yourself say you dey go there? Say you go dey give out these kind things to students. And in fact, wetin dey vex me pass for this video na the jubilation among them these students. Una see as dem these students just dey happy, dey laugh. E show say dem this Ghana dey dey very corrupt. Because how una priest go dey do this kind thing? Una go dey shine thing, dey happy. It means una sef una dey enjoy am. But reverend, since when una turn to fornicators? God call una say make una draw people to them. Now e be like say na another thing na dey draw. Mouth and teeth na don dey here na dey draw. But as the matter be, the Anglican heads don't bring out open letter. See as the matter be, this man who will spoil their name of their own church. Say in fact they no go even condone this the way this man do. And see as they go investigate this matter. And they go make sure say they deal with this reverend father. I mean a reverend I will call him. According to their laws and values of the Anglican church. But I beg, I won't even talk one thing again. This man as an Anglican priest, he get every privilege. Everybody knows Anglican people they marry. So as you know say konji catch you, I beg, why be say you no just go find wife? I mean you go find girlfriend where go they do this thing to? Why be say now these young girls you can't decide say you want to invest on their lips? So I beg, this one where then this church can't say they want to investigate. I beg, waiting at the investigate. Pure evidence don't they for here. So waiting I want investigate again. But I beg, as it be like say Christianity, it don't they get gay leg. It be like say command on the day inside this whole thing. Because person dey on top of pulpit, still get the energy. If not even the thought that you never want to this man. This man still draw and closer, draw me closer to God. I don't know what thing they do. Still do and near himself, say he must kiss this girl by force, by fire. I don't know the kind of God where they send all these kind of people. And I sure say this reverend, he go they sleep with them, these students. But see if he convince them say to kiss you now, holy kissing. He go tell them say to sleeping with themselves and spiritual come. He go give them one kind of yearning. And these students say they go buy him. But I beg and make them these people really arrest, may they arrest him. Because somebody now could they look this pastor saying they lead by example. Person go they see him now say na one vision here be this one. Now be this priest. Not knowing say this priest, in fact, now from devil place in come from. Now devil now send this kind of person. But to be I don't know. Maybe this word make it just finish. Make God just blow trumpet. Because the kind of things where pastors now they doing, I don't even know if I go to explain it. But my people now here I go end this matter. Anything when I get to talk about them, make me write and put inside the comment section. Make me stay tuned.